Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a beef brisket on the Weber Kettle. So let's get queuing. I found this piece of beef brisket in my freezer. It was like 2 years old and I asked my aunt about it and she said, well, hey, help yourself to it if you want. So I've only cooked brisket on my Weber Kettle one other time, so I figured try doing it on the Weber Kettle here. So I'm just going to rub some avocado oil on the outside of it just to kind of help the rub stick to it. So get that on there, and then I'll just season it up with some kosher salt. I don't know how much this weighs. I'm guessing maybe 4 or 5 pounds. I'm not really sure. But and then some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. Should go well on this beef. I use this all the time. All right, I'll flip it over and do the other side. I'll just do that the same way, and then we'll get it on the grill. I'm using a paper towel soaked in vegetable oil to get this lit, and I'm using Royal Oak lump charcoal because it's all I have, and I'm not using any smoke wood because I don't really like that much smoke flavor, so I usually don't use smoke wood very often. And I have everything. The charcoal's in a slow and sear, and the slow and sear also has a water reservoir, so I filled that up. And as soon as the charcoal gets going, we'll just get the brisket on there and get the lid on. Fire looks good. I got my meat on there. The side with the most fat is down right now. I'll probably flip it over later on, but it's not a very thick piece of meat. It's probably only maybe an inch thick on this end and maybe 2 inches on that end. So just kind of keep an eye on it and see how it goes, and I'll kind of show you where the temperature's running in a little bit. It's been about an hour, and it looks like the temperature's running about 315 degrees Fahrenheit right now. It got up to about 325, but it's kind of slowly going down a little bit. My top vent is wide open. My bottom one is right under that first hole right there. So I'm just going to leave that alone, and if the temperature starts dropping off too much, then I'll probably take the lid off and maybe turn it over and add some more charcoal. But for now, I'm just going to let it go. It's been a little over 2 hours, so maybe I should take a look at this. The temperature's running around 290 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Oh yeah, we're looking pretty good there. So maybe I will flip it over. This is the thicker side, so I'll turn it so the thicker side's that way. More fat on the top on this side. And it looks like the wood, the charcoal's doing pretty good, so I think I'll just get the lid back on for now, and then in a little while maybe I'll wrap it in some foil. It's been 3 hours and 45 minutes, so I'm going to check on this. The grill's still running around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, that looks good. So let me see what the internal temperature of this is here. 176. 174 right there. I think to get pretty tender it needs to get to around 205 degrees or 210. So I'm going to wrap that in foil, and I'm going to add more charcoal, and then I'll just let it cook in the foil for a bit until it gets to that temperature. This has been in the foil about an hour, so let's take a look here. I'll just kind of pull the foil back a little bit. Wow, looks real nice. I don't know if you can see that. There's quite a bit of juice in there, quite a bit of fat that cooked out. Let's see what the temperature is here. 209, 210. I think that's probably pretty good. Yeah, I think I'll just let that rest for a bit and then we'll try it out. This has been resting for a half an hour or so, so let's open it up and see what it looks like here. Oh wow, that looks really nice. Let me put it on a cutting board and we'll slice into it. I'm not a barbecue pro, but I have fun. That's really all that matters. Let's cut it right in half and see what the inside looks like here. All right. Well, looks pretty decent to me. Let's slice off a piece here. Yeah, looks pretty juicy. Not bad. Moist and tender. That came out really good. This turned out good, Annie. You want to try it? Look at this. Oh, there we go. Floor looking good. So the grill temperature was right around 300 degrees most of the time, and I cooked it for 2 hours on each side. Then I wrapped it in the foil and cooked it for another hour. And it came out real good. I was real happy with that. All right, everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.